of Ningo Pram, the people of Afienya also deserve good roads. They also deserve good roads.
Mama wakwaba wofreme adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuan for Sam George at the Ensembia Betudra na voter region for ni bi a reply no. Na answer na me de Ensema Sam George at the Etudra na reply a votarians no at the abre no. Sam George and NDC for me say den amoje migusu a mebi samwe den and amoje NDC for mo penso na covid in bio but agriculture mo grow negative 0.0 eba ni inflation a o man penda da mahama e na obefa akondwa no every year bia na inflation kosoro every year bia na inflation kosoro man penda da mahama e na record inflation a the whole world they been see that. O man pende da mahama no bo besia this if mo bro besia. Enso sagleme. Mo ntimi awie. Yi blocks amusi e fa mo si gun rem de mutimi wie so mo wie 29. Circle interchange. Scam de koye his excellency dey aye 3. Aha. Infrastructure king na mo from man pende da mahama no. E da no ye. Renovation. Terminal 3. So airport was a renovation, so Terminal 3 is also the full. Rich Hospital or renovated. Your friend is Legon Hospital, meaning so serious or renovated you. Renovation project or yes, when we and a green book, most of them are quite in Nego. Now, when this is for the all, Ebana quite once a man can yes, I can be. Se be Ghana food no more dream of fame no money in the so I can but I about Miss NDC for more shut up. Ah, now when this is for man I once a mutumi no casa. Mutumi no casa, eh, NDC for Miss Ebana once a mutumi no casa, mutumi be one to me casa ebana once a bar. Now, me say, in the history of this country, no since Nana Kojoho pension by this time. President Ben Waya Quincy Ewo Ghana Hassan and Ado, His Excellency. Brana Beka. Miss NDC if you move me back. Any NPP who were called challenge, I will quite one. Mr. 2024 about to any better NDC for. No come with the message to Ababank, a better mamu. I didn't have when this for. A quite one seven. More the green book by Bakacha say. Green book, you know. Ya quite Ghana had me na a quite. Nana do be dia konja first status or koto. Or he obeko ni close be a yan kwan ye. And his excellency be say, "Hey. Na me predecessor o wan penda da mahama. Our course and so be also Ghana end of deck or so be treasure see. O failing to so be trade. Ah second run ye de mana. Ye na e be kwabun sem je. Also why ya kwan nyina na ba ne se na mo complain mo akwan. His Excellency be kan ya wan penda da mahama ka chale so tikem na okwa na wa ada. Mo wendi se fu mu nya no ka e kwan ho asem. Ho mo stronghold. Ho akwan. Sami je mfi kotena onua TV. Ho town rose na ye. Ho town rose na me se wo hu. It's not His Excellency na don kwakufu ad why ye near maintenance on be kan bia na mo to aded. And a UTV for call on interview na kroma for the chess or more than another as Papa His Excellency and the guy and another. Oh, Papa ya, Benya chef say. Yan $5 and a kinky. Yemi adrian you $1 na kinky the empire politics. Tinana you do Benya chepa, eban infrastructures. Because or painful be and no quine ye, and then another His Excellency, Aqua and the Quayama or Kowa. Obetimi I do want and no way save you know, not acquire funds you own. Sa policy no anase sa aban no e na meda na se abanya wabe distributing ambulance one constituency one ambulance obi nya accident and tempo metu de na the hospital e save no sa aban no e na mede mani eto na nim na me jai dollar rate na se no dollar rate ni so hia but nipa nkwan so hia abanya odi drones aba obi yare a drone to me deliver blood and I say eduru ekoma no owoka obi a ni wotimi save che say nipa ho dadwinda na koma so a obo nipa sa aban na ye hwe ne ye abanya oba so ebetimi ato kenke 2 cedis kenke 2 cedis udi wi akwa akwa na egu nya sesem bi ani mendis for one drink most mo akwan ina wo green book him akwan wa here mo inti wo Sam George wo say ekwan bi a wo ka ho ase wo say ekwan the port was ba ko wo de nanado his excellency ne ka ko shim kure be komi no pa chaw mo fi aben mu 7.5 years ni mo so mo be di Ghana so sen party bia inti ka akwan ya wo Ghana ka Ghana kwa de kan yesu akwan because mo be di Ghana so ka mutumi yi year bia 27 years no year bia mutumi di 10 kilometers of roads 10 kilometers of roads and kan say ka Ghana yesu akwan we his excellency no ni obetim na waye no on to me 5 years in develop Ghana na Ghana yes Dubai it is Sam George who say kwan bia se na ho ntia ase akoshepo waye pete na osi parliament house nse hu kwa na udi unu okuja to ablakwa NDC for akrofo abaya mo pese mo ba mi sika na mo ba be wia mo ya akrofo mo pe ba bi ntina na me ya sure say Ghana ni bia na dream da ho fine no a observe ya dia ohun say ana say Ghana ho da dwinda na koma so pese Ghana tumpon me do ya me so on to NDC message what to NDC na wo party na wo do na wo pese wo to ba do na e wa dwin bia ya adwuma nya NDC fo adwin bia ya adwuma so bebu oman ni yie ntina wo kwakota ba mo patro Sam George e dey 72 dwa no Votarian be a reply. You see, Sam George, and they so you need to reply on the M1.
Yes, sir. Just look at the road. In Akufo-Addo's hometown, the cemetery, they've done asphalt. Look at the road. This is the road to his wife's father's house. His in-laws, this is the road we have. These are not potholes. This one, Akufo-Addo's bed, even Cecilia Dapa's bed, can fit inside this hole with the $1 million under it. And we have complained about this road. We've complained and complained. The Minister of Roads himself has literally said he's giving up. Because you don't know whether the problem is the roads minister or whether it is the one who is always wearing white and quoting Bible, but killing all of us in this country and refusing to release money. A contractor has been put on this road, Cement Ghana, 7 years and counting. I'm hearing 2 weeks ago, they came that the culverts they've even done, they're coming to remove the culverts. I'm waiting for them, they should come again. I mean, what is the meaning of this? This is Ghana. The people of Ningo Pram, the people of Afienya also deserve good roads. They also deserve good roads. What is the meaning of this? Maybe I need to organize my people and let me serve notice. Mr. President, the next time you are going to Akosombo, I will block you in Afienya. Or the next time you are going to the vote.
Honorable Sam George. Jata. Macho ukrom kwano wayebi. 8 years ni. Constituency no Ningo pram for omu from abena kokko krasi last oko constituency na nya ukrom na nya baku ba uti TV station radio station hear noise. Yes, so you are just a noise maker in the parliament. Ta o say nanado na odidi na term no count to the same nanado agenda 111 no ebi e wo constituency hospital I can say I was who constituency ma onimunyam ba utia you are the same person o ma onimunyam o constituency